In this video, you're going to learn how to revise your conditional essay, and we're also going to talk about some common mistakes with ideas and organization and how to fix them. So you can see first on our lesson plan that there is an example slideshow here of conditional essay feedback. So I'm going to talk through the revising part of it today. This is based on other years and what students had mistakes with and what they did a good job with. So organization, remember your final copy needs to be actually 5 paragraphs. So if you look at my finished example here, it's easy to see where paragraph starts because there is this open space here. Remember, we call that indenting your paragraph. When you get to the end of a paragraph, you have to press tab or enter or return, and then the next one starts indented again. Your Chromebook might do indenting for you, but if it does not, press tab. So here's body paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, and the conclusion 5. When you type your final one, it should look like this. Today, when you're checking it, you're checking your introduction paragraph that looks like this, the draft, the conclusion paragraph on the second page, and then your body paragraph, which are these 3 slides. Okay, word choice. Remember that you should be using high-level words. So there was a lesson where you were supposed to look at the online thesaurus to add your high-level words. Make sure you've added those and identify them by underlining them like I did. When you do your final copy, it's very helpful if you highlight for me so I know you have them in there and you can get all of your points. It's hard to know what's the best word for sentences, so you can always just send me an email with the sentence and the word you're not sure about and ask me, and I'll respond to you as quick as I can. You can also ask anyone else in the class that you are emailing or texting with. Word variety is an important one on this essay. It's easy to start many sentences with I would. Like, if I had $1 million, I would this, I would that, I would also blank, I would, I would, I would. We don't want every sentence to start the same way. One way to fix this is to use transition words. First, second, and third are easy ones that you can add to your lead-off sentences in your body paragraphs. You can also change it up a little bit. Like on this one, I said to start instead of first. In your follow-up sentences, you can start with not also, not only, additionally. For example, another way that you can make sure you're not starting every sentence with I would is to flip the formula. So if we say, I would something, something, something if I had $1 million, that's an ID sentence. We can make a D comma I by starting with our subordinating conjunction. Like, if I had $1 million, comma, I would. Even though I would like to spend it on myself, comma, I would donate it to the hospital or something like that. All right, details and examples. You guys are doing a really good job with this, but I just want to remind you that the more specific you are, the better. So I'm going to give you an example that is okay, and then I'm going to show you how it got changed to be very specific. So the okay example is this. First, I would donate to the homeless shelter. For example, they could eat a lot and not be hungry. They would feel better with some warm food. That's okay, but it's not super specific. If we all drew a picture of what that student said, we might have different pictures. Maybe my warm food is pizza and yours is spaghetti or something like that. Here's a better version of that where it's more specific. First, I would donate food to the homeless shelter. For example, I would make Taco Tuesdays every week and deliver tacos. They would feel full, happy, and loved because it would be a fiesta of delicious fun. You can tell that's a lot better writing. So part of your work today is to go through your details on the follow-up sentences and see where could you be a little more specific. When you're working today, you're going to be looking at your 5 paragraph drafts, and you need to click on this link for revising. We did this also for essay 1 if you did that one last month. So you just go through and you answer the questions, and it's going to ask you about your essay. It will tell you which part to look at and show you a picture. and then you type in your answers. This one, I just give you points if you do it. It's okay if you realize as you're typing that you have a lot of things to fix. That's why we do it. So go ahead and just finish it. I'll look for your name under responses and give you the points. If you then go back and you change a lot of things on your essay, that's probably good because that means you're making it better because this form helped you see what are you missing. That's it for revising. And as always, just let me know if you have any questions.